Honor 20, 20 Pro and Honor V20 are already testing Magic UI 3.0 in India, and now the company has opened EMUI 10.0 beta program for Honor 20i and Honor 10 Lite for the Indian consumers. The EMUI 10.0 brings new features and changes in user interface, including the new dark mode, magazine-style UI layout, Miranda UI color system, and more. This program will expand gradually in batches, so be patient as it reaches eligible models. Also, before upgrading to the beta version, we recommend users to back up important data to avoid any data loss. Huawei cannot use Google Mobile Services, HMS, under the restrictions imposed by the US government. That's why the company moved forward and launched its first ever flagship, Huawei Mate 30 series, exclusively with Huawei Mobile Services, HMS, and its core kits that aims to deliver the alternatives of GMS and libraries for HMS developers. Currently, HMS Core Kit grants developers access to 24 HMS Core Kits, 55 services, and 997 APIs, including services such as in-app purchases, e-app, account login and game services, push notifications, analytics, monetization, maps, location and more. Developers of HMS Core capabilities and services only need to integrate the HMS software development kit in order to use Huawei's open capabilities.